Students, now we are going to learn division algorithm for polynomials. Division means again it's a division method. Algorithm means it's a step-by-step process. Algorithm means step-by-step process that we have to learn. We know, children, the division rule. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This from class 9 also you learned in polynomials. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now, what is the relation this in the polynomials? If p of x and g of x, p of x and g of x, any two polynomials with g of x does not equal to 0, with g of x does not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x. That means p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That means exactly dividend is equal to what is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here p of x is what is dividend, g of x is what is divisor. If we divide with these two, p of x divided by g of x, then what will we get? What here? Find polynomials, that is q of x. Q of x is nothing but what is quotient in terms of x, and r means what is here? Remainder in terms of x. Here p of x is equal to, that is dividend, is equal to divisor what is here? G of x into quotient is what is here? Q of x plus remainder is r of x. That is, first condition is if r of x is equal to 0, that means if remainder 0, just now we did one example, if remainder 0, then g of x is a factor. G of x what is? Divisor. Okay. If r of x is equal to 0, then g of x is a factor. That is the first condition. Second one, if r of x greater than 0, if r of x greater than 0, then degree of r of x, degree of, that means highest power, the degree of r of x remainder is less than degree of g of x. What is the meaning of this one is, suppose the remainder you got like 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Here it should be less than, the degree of g of x should be like x square plus 1, means here x power 1, here what is here? 2. That condition applies with it. Listen again, if r of x is greater than 0, then degree of r of x, that is x power 1, is less than x square plus 1. Means the degree must be always less than g of x. Remainder degree is always less than degree of divisor, that is g of x. Children, now we will do one example, that is divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Using the division method we will do now. Here what is the dividend is given? 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and this one is what is here? Divisor. Like this is a p of x and this one is what is? G of x. Now we will go for the division method. X plus 2, then what is here? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Go for the division method. What is the first term here? 2x square, that is power is 2. Here x power 1. Multiply with 2x. X into 2x. X into 2x. What is answer? 2x square. Right here 2x square. First term. Second term 2 into 2. 2 to the 4x. Now subtract minus. Cancel this first term minus into plus, it's a minus again. 3x minus 4x, that's minus x, and next term what is plus 1. Now what we got here again, minus x. Here x only multiply with the minus 1. X into minus 1 is equal to minus x. X into minus 1 minus x plus 2. 2 into minus 1, it's minus 2. Subtract minus minus. Minus into minus, it's a plus. Cancel first term. Minus into minus, it's a plus. That is 2 plus 1. What is answer here? 3. What is 3 here? 3 is the remainder. What is this one here? Quotient. This one is what is? Divisor. What is here? Dividend. It's a clearly dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder what we got finally? 3. When stop the division method. Why? When either remainder is 0 or its degree less than the degree of the divisor. Means whatever we are getting, 3 is the constant, then we can stop the division process. Just verification I do is correct or not. We know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Just to verify it's correct or not. What is the dividend here? Here dividend is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, what is the g of x? G of x is what is x plus 2. X plus 2 into quotient is 2x minus 1 plus 3. Multiply x into 2x. 2x square, x into minus 1 minus x. Second term, 2 2s are 4x and 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. 2x square is no change and 4x minus x, that is 3x. 3 minus 2, it's a plus 1. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. I think we got again dividend 2x square plus 3x plus 1. After the division method, again verification, it's correct or not. That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is a division rule we are applying. That is a division of algorithm in polynomials.